Newton's first law, or the law of inertia, shows us that objects will keep doing what they're doing unless an external force steps in. Picture yourself in a stationary car. You're at rest, just like the car. When the car starts moving, you continue moving with it, unless something like a seatbelt stops you. This is the essence of the first law. Moving on to the second law, it introduces us to force, mass, and acceleration. If you've ever seen the formula F = ma, then you've seen Newton's second law in action. F stands for force, M for mass, and A for acceleration. This law tells us that the force acting on an object equals the object's mass times its acceleration. It's all about how objects respond to the forces they encounter. Finally, we have Newton's third law, the law of action and reaction. It states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Think about swimming. You push against the water and the water pushes back, propelling you forward. That's the third law for you. To wrap things up, these three laws help us understand how objects in motion behave. They're the building blocks of classical mechanics, and they're key to unlocking the mysteries of the physical world around us. So whether it's a bus ride, a game of pool, or a space rocket launch, you can bet Newton's laws of motion are in play. Thanks for joining us on this exploration, and remember, the laws of motion don't just apply to physics. They're a part of our everyday lives too.